We all know AAM Research for their Power Steps, the XL, and the Smart Series. But things just got a lot more rugged with the Xtreme running boards. Just like the standard Power Step, the Xtreme operates the same. It deploys when the door is open and retracts when the door is closed. It has the same anti-pinch technology as well. But there are a few added things that make these steps extreme. Starting with the design, the running boards have an all-new, rugged surface to help keep from slipping in any mud or slush. They have also widened the step to 7 inches, making it one of the widest steps on the market. There is more to these running boards than what they look like. They are more powerful than the standard boards. These steps have dual motors, one in each bracket. This lets them deploy or retract even when caked in mud or covered in slush or snow. They are ready for those extreme conditions. The Power Steps are already great for nearly any use due to the added ground clearance when they are retracted. They are crafted from cast aluminum and coated with a military-grade PTFE coating. And like all Power Steps, they have integrated LED lights to see in those dark situations. If you are interested in the Xtreme running boards by AAM Research or looking to have them installed, check out the store locator on screen or in the description. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.